In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to drag chart up and down vertically in TradingView. If you've ever felt like the candles are too squeezed or too stretched, or you just want more breathing room above and below price, learning how to drag the chart vertically is a simple trick that makes reading the chart much easier. We'll start from the main site, open a full chart, and then adjust the vertical scale so you can position price exactly where you want it on your screen. First, open your web browser and head to tradingview.com. You can do this on any modern browser, and you don't need any special settings to follow along. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the familiar TradingView interface, including the chart area and panels around it. Next, look to the panel on the right-hand side of the screen. This is where your watch list lives, showing a list of symbols. Choose any symbol you want to analyze. Simply click the symbol in that right panel to load it in the chart preview. This gives you a quick look at the price action and confirms you're working with the correct ticker before you expand it. Now click Full Chart. This opens the full-featured charting interface, giving you a larger view and access to more tools. You'll see the candlesticks in the main area, the time axis along the bottom, and the price scale running vertically along the right edge. Here's the key step. Move your mouse to the price scale on the right edge of the chart. Click and hold on that scale, then drag your mouse up to compress the vertical scale and push the price lower on the screen, or drag down to expand the scale and pull the price higher. Release the mouse when the chart looks comfortable. You're not changing the data, you're only adjusting how much vertical space each price unit occupies. This makes it easier to focus on recent swings, identify wicks and levels, or just center the action. If the chart doesn't seem to move the way you expect, make sure your cursor is on the price scale itself, not inside the candlestick area or the time axis at the bottom. The price scale is the vertical ruler on the right. That's the part you want to click and drag. Small, steady mouse movements give you more precision, especially when working with volatile instruments. And that's it. By opening a full chart and dragging the right-hand price scale, you can quickly position and scale your view to suit your analysis, making your TradingView workflow cleaner and more efficient.